The advantage of doing design review inside of Studio Sessions is having all of your information and comments in one place on one set of files. There's an internal coordination that happens throughout design review process, making sure that things like mechanical duct is not too low for the ceiling height that was intended for that space. All you need is the drawings that you want your comments placed on, and a Studio ID account. And to do that, it's free within Review, it's included. And from there, all you do is upload it and invite whoever you need to look at your drawings. So you can send it out to your general contractor, your subcontractors, you can send it to your owner so they're in tune with all the comments that are happening throughout the design review process. And everyone's able to place their comments in real time. And that's the true benefit, because you get to see all the comments as they're being made. You don't ship out a paper set and wonder, when are you going to get all those comments?